IELTS is a crucial learning certificate that opens doors for all students to study abroad, gain admission to top universities, settle in a different country, or even advance your career. The IELTS course at iTeach is committed to helping you achieve your dream band score, opening the gateway to your future. A team of experienced and native English teachers with international certificates, supported by a dedicated and excellent team of teaching assistants to help you progress through the IELTS bands. You develop all 4 skills: speaking, listening, reading and writing, and IELTS test-taking strategies, which are extremely important in achieving the highest band scores. Therefore, you are equipped with a solid foundation before entering the official test with the utmost of preparation. You have a rich array of academic resources and general social knowledge throughout your study time at iTeach. You become familiar with countless IELTS tests, ultimately achieving your target score. iTeach provides personalized study plans based on your goals and desired IELTS scores. Furthermore, you undergo skill assessments each month to familiarize yourself with the real test, understand your current proficiency, and set subsequent goals. With small class sizes, with only 6 students online and 15 students offline, you maximize your interaction time with native teachers and receive detailed and comprehensive feedback on your work. iTeach organizes workshops to share test-taking skills, develop ideas, and engage in discussions with native teachers. The IELTS course at iTeach is committed to helping you reaching your language goals. Maybe studying abroad, general admission to a top university in the US, the UK, or Australia, and advancing your career. Additionally, learning IELTS provides real value through the practical application of all 4 skills in daily life and studies.